Hey guys, so today I'm going to be going in and reviewing this lip plumper kit. This is the one that went viral on, well, one of the few that went viral on TikTok. This is the DEROL Day and Night Double Effect Lip Plumper, and I'm really excited to use this. I got this on Amazon. It was here in 2 days and it wasn't crazy expensive, which is amazing. I will link it in the description below if you would like to check it out. I do make a small commission from anything that you buy off of my Amazon. So if you're not into that type of thing, totally fine. Just go get it on your own. But if you do, use my link. Thank you so much. It's really, it really does help this channel. So let's get into this. My lips, I'm always looking for something to make them look a little bit more plumped. I did also get the other plumper, oh my goodness, the PLUMPER. I'm gonna do a review on that as well. Okay, I'm not sure which one is the plumper, so let's go ahead and apply this one. If it does nothing, anything. If it does nothing, then we know. This one's just kind of cooling. Ooh, ooh. Okay, that one. That one's the one that plumps. Oh my gosh, pink top, yellow. It's kind of golden. Okay. All right. I'm gonna wipe my lips off and just apply the plumper. Because I'm scared the other one has like a cooling effect. All right. Let's wait 5 minutes. It seriously burns. Okay. Okay, all right. Just feel like it's getting more intense. More intense. Okay, that's enough slices. All right, I'm gonna wait like 3 more minutes. I'll be right back. Here's what my lips look like. What do you guys think? I think yes, it definitely did plump them. But is it... I'd say it's a little bit better than the Too Faced plumper. It doesn't burn as much, but you still get the results. Also, can we just look at the shine? Like, it's just straight up shine, and I love it. Makes your lips look so Josie. So, absolutely love. This, it's now starting to kind of cool down. It's been more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But I would say it worked, and I like it. It also brought a nice little color to my lips without making them look super like irritated and red, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna say that this is approved because I like it. What do you guys think? I just really like how shiny it is. Anyway, that is it for this video. If you guys liked it, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you guys are excited to see the PLUMPER review. That one is another one that went viral on TikTok. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Love you. Bye.